my name is John Watson and this is iTechNews. If you are new here, grand welcome to you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell gizmo so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So with that being said, let's begin. Ladies and gentlemen, this is TCL electric heater, which really has a very beautiful design. When you look at the front, it has a stainless steel grill, which looks stunning. And when you look at the sides of this heater, they are very smooth, and the stainless steel grill, curves on the sides, which makes it really portable and really beautiful. The sides are very smooth, and it is not going to take a lot of space in your room because of its compact design. When you look at the back of this heater, it has a small grills and the turn on and off button at the bottom. When you turn down the heater, there's a button at the bottom of this heater which is very useful, because when the heater falls down, this button helps it to turn off automatically. And when you look at the remote control, it has certain functions, turn on and off, you can set the timer, you can also swing where you want to swing it. It has the plus and minus of the temperature buttons. Let's look at how the air comes out from this one. Okay, so the air is really smooth and it is a little bit noisy when you turn it on all the way up, but it is very good as far as the price is concerned. Even though you can do all the stuff from the top of the heater, which also has all the functionality of the remote control, but it is convenient that TCL has provided a remote control with these kinds of features. From this product, I can tell you that TCL has done a brilliant job, just because, whatever they are providing you for 159 Chinese yuan, that is really awesome. They are providing you a very beautiful design with a lot of features, and they are not taking a lot of money from you. They are just providing you the best product at the best price range ever. I really love this product. I'm going to use it personally. And what do you think about this product, and how you feel that these companies are evolving and they are trying something really new and providing you bang for your buck? You can tell me in the comment section below. Okay, so that's all for today. Thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't. It depends on you, and I will see you soon.